Alright guys, I'm running my slider for the FAPS Silk 1 in 10. Got a timestamp up. The time is 4:46 on the 15th of August. 4:46 here in Perth on the 15th of August. I've grabbed this list already, but 203, which is Sam, and spot number 1, which is Rishi, I think. There he is. There's spot 203, Sam, and up to spot number 1 with Rishi, and we'll roll the dice 3 times. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, good luck everyone. Oops, wrong screen. 1, 203 items in the list. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 'Is this one taking a little while? 7, 8, so 8 times, number is 10, 2 more to go. Good luck everybody, and last roll, and away we are. Alright, so that's been done 10 times, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the winner is Dak. It's spot number 1. Congratulations, mate. Hit me up and I'll mail it out for you tomorrow or Wednesday. Thanks everyone for participating. Sorry, not everyone is a winner. 4:48 is the time and 4:48 is the time. Right.